Welcome to the PHAR 6030 e-course, also known as the Current Good Manufacturing Practices course, or the GMP class. I am Arvinda Makar, Program Coordinator and Course Board Person for UGA Sciences Program, and I want to welcome you to this course. For this class, in Module 1, Professor Arkin has provided an orientation section that gives an overview of the GMP class. Be sure to review that lecture so that you have a clear understanding of the course and instructor expectations. As you go through this orientation section, I highly encourage you to also review course syllabus. The syllabus for an online course in particular is a very important document that is intended to keep you on track. And I encourage you also to ask questions should you encounter any concerns or issues. This course will officially start on Saturday, August 11th with Module 1, the course orientation module. Your first assignment is a written assignment, is due on August 19th at 11:59 p.m. Please see the course syllabus, the course calendar, or the assignment Dropbox tool for the exact date and time that your assignments are due. Generally, in the program, assignments and quizzes are due at 11:59 p.m. on the due date. On August 12th at 8 p.m., you will have your first teleconference call with Professor Arkin. This is a mandatory call. For more information on the teleconference call can be found in your syllabus. Your course instructor is Professor Ronald Arkin. Professor Arkin is a faculty member with the Regulatory Affairs Program. He can be reached by email or by phone with information listed here. Should you have any technical difficulties or need to get in touch with Professor Arkin right away, my contact information is listed here. There are live sessions for this course in the form of teleconferences, but no face-to-face meetings or web conferencing sessions. The dates of those teleconferences are noted on the course syllabus. Generally, these teleconferences will occur in the evenings from 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please do your best to participate in these class meetings. If students would like to have a private meeting or individual time with the course instructor, please contact me and allow at least 2-week turnaround time for scheduling. You can email me at amakkar@uga.edu with your request. Essentially, this course is broken down into multiple modules, about 15 modules. Here are examples of how this course is broken down. Module 1 is a course orientation. Module 2 provides an introduction to the FDA. Module 3 addresses FDA inspections and enforcements. Module 4 starts the section of quality systems for medical devices. Module 7 starts the section of GMPs for pharmaceuticals. Module 13 covers the Center for Veterinary Medicine, and Module 15 addresses good laboratory practices. These are just some examples of topics covered in the course. Finally, there is no textbook for this course. All readings will either be provided or you will be asked to locate and read a given document. In closing, you should begin this course by reviewing the PHAR 6030 orientation materials in Module 1 and the course syllabus. Be sure to reach out to Professor Arkin with any questions or concerns. Thank you.